Hey guys, welcome back to Amber Shimmer. I'm Amber Shimmer. If you're new here, welcome. So today I am going to actually start talking about skincare, which I've always intended to do and kind of never got around to. So we're gonna start with 10 items that I consider must-have for my skin. So, first thing is a body lotion. This is the Eucerin Advanced Repair Lotion. It's not really exciting, it's not glamorous. It's a simple bottle of lotion. It's the same stuff my mom used. My dad probably still buys this. And you wanna know why? It's because it works. This stuff is so good. It heals, it moisturizes, it does everything I need a body lotion to do. I get really dry, especially on my legs and especially in winter. And so this is necessary for me and it's really inexpensive. So I will keep buying this. Next, the CeraVe Hydrating Micellar Water. I use this a lot when I'm filming as I use it to take off eye makeup. I do also typically use this anytime I have eye makeup on to do sort of the first little bit of cleanse around my eye. I technically, when I'm wearing makeup, do a triple cleanse, which is maybe a bit much, but it's probably not. I think probably a few people probably also do triple cleanses and they just call it a double cleanse because they're doing some sort of makeup remover or micellar water. But yeah, I use this to remove eye makeup and then I move on to a cleansing balm. I really like the Glow Recipe Papaya Enzyme Cleansing Balm. This stuff smells delightful. It melts right into your skin. It dissolves everything that you need it to dissolve. Leaves your skin soft and lovely. And did I mention it smells delicious? Love Glow Recipe. This stuff is great. And then my actual soap cleanse, I guess. My last cleanse, I've been using the Roche-Posay Hydrating Gentle Cleanser. I prefer a gentle cleanser because honestly, I don't want to strip my skin. So I really like this. It's very nice, very simple. This is fairly inexpensive again. I like it. It is fragrance free. A lot of the stuff I use is fragrance free, but not all of it. There are certain fragrances like the papaya and the papaya that don't really bug me, but I do generally prefer things not to be too perfumed. And so this is fragrance free. Next, I don't use this every day, but it's definitely a staple in my routine. I actually have a backup bottle ready to go if I run out. I use the Pixi Skintreats Glow Tonic all the time. This is an AHA glycolic acid toner, and I use this about twice a week. It's just a nice chemical exfoliator. It doesn't dry out my skin, and my skin seems to really like it. It's helped a lot in some of my hyperpigmentation and things like that. Now, I know a lot of people are really anti-face scrub, and I was for a while, but then I started getting laser hair removal on my face, and they told me to start using a physical exfoliator. So what I picked up is this. I use this about once a week. This is the Henriksen Lemonade Smoothing Scrub. It smells nice and lemony and fresh, and it has a very fine grind. My hope is that it's not damaging my skin, and I do have to say that it is really helping, encouraging those hairs to sort of release. So I probably won't use this for the rest of my life because I do prefer not to use physical exfoliators if unless I have to. But for the time being, while I'm doing laser hair removal, this is a fantastic tool. If you are getting a lot of ingrown hairs, I think this will really help. And then I have another toner. This is the CosRX Propolis Synergy Toner. This is Korean skincare. I've started using actually quite a few Korean products This is the biggest staple, I'd say, right now. This is just a nice hydrating toner. I use it fairly frequently. It just makes my skin feel nice and clean and hydrated, and it really does prepare it for the moisturizer that usually follows. Next, I've mentioned this before, it's the best thing I've gotten from BoxyCharm. The Bloomeffects Royal Tulip Nectar is very tulipy, not greasy, and I love this stuff. It leaves my skin soft. I usually use this overnight and I wake up with super hydrated, soft skin. It's amazing. It also smells really nice. It does smell like tulips, but it's not a perfumey smell. I don't really know how to convey it exactly. It smells like naturally tulipy, not like it's been perfumed. It's not really heavy. It smells like tulip because it is tulip nectar, and it's very light and nice, and it's very soothing before I go to bed. Next, jojoba oil. I've been using this for a while now. A friend of mine recommended it, and it's great. It really has kept down some of the acne production I have. It's really helped me sort of take control of my skin, I think. I use this for all kinds of things. I use it for shaving my face as a lubrication for my face. I use it after a moisturizer if I need just a little bit more help. And I use it sometimes as the first step in a double cleanse if I feel like I really need something like this. I also use it in my hair. It's really good for my scalp. So I kind of use it just as a multi-purpose oil, honestly, and it's great. It's really inexpensive. I guess you don't have to get this brand, but this brand is very cheap. Yeah, good stuff. I know some other oils really can like clog your pores and stuff, but this does not. It absorbs really quickly and it does not leave you feeling greasy at all. And then I love masks, and I had to include at least one. So this is the one I've been loving the most right now. This is the Peter Thomas Roth Cucumber Gel Mask. I've been using this for a while. This is a new one, semi-new. Smells nice. It's nice and cooling. I love the jelly texture. And it's soothing and hydrating and nice, and it smells nice and it feels nice, and I love it. It is fairly expensive though, so I'm sure there are inexpensive dupes, but I do really enjoy this one. And that's what I got for you today. I hope you enjoyed this. Have you tried any of these products? What are your skincare must-haves? Heck, post your entire routine if you want to. I'd love to read it. I hope you enjoyed this. If you'd like to see more videos like this, let me know. Go ahead and subscribe if you want to see more from me, and give her a thumbs up, please. I'd really appreciate it. In any case, I hope you're having a wonderful day. I'll see you again soon. Bye.